Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how you can remove div error in Excel. It stands for divide by zero. It occurs when a formula attempts to divide a number by zero or a by cell that is blank empty. In mathematics, division by zero is undefined, so Excel return div error so to let you know that the calculation cannot be completed. So instead of showing the error, you can use built-in Excel function to clean up your spreadsheet. So for this you need to use the IFERROR functions. The IFERROR function catches the error and replaces it with whatever you specify, such as zero or a blank space or a custom text message. So put the equal sign, type IFERROR error, open the bracket, select the sales reference cells and divide by number of sales, comma and space, put the zero and close the bracket, hit enter, and you can drag it like this one. It will return zero instead of error. So if you want to put return a blank cell instead of error, for this you need to remove this zero and put the double quote, hit enter and drag it. It will return a blank cell instead of error. Moreover, if you want to show the return custom text, for this you need to put the custom text in the double quote. For example, no sales, hit enter and drag it like this one. And here you can see that. So with this way you can easily remove div error in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.